In this video, we're going to look at how to add items by course to an order. So when I am in a new order and I put the first item onto my order, it's going to default to course 1. I can click on the course line to be able to add a new course if I wanted to. I also have the new course button down here in my hot buttons. This may or may not be configured as a hot button for your restaurant. But this is another way to put a new course line onto the order. And then the next item that I order is going to be part of that new course. Individual menu items, when you click on them, you have the option to select the course up here. And when I do this, I could move it to a different course. I can say new course, so it would be part of course 3. And then you'll also notice that there's a to-go course option, so that could be set. And then the other option that we have with our coursing is if we have an item and we put it on hold, that removes it from all the courses currently. And then when that item is removed from its hold, it goes back to its original course.